Good day. For today's lesson, we will discuss operations on functions. This is based on the Department of Education General Mathematics competencies. So first, we have the learning competencies. The learner performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions. First, we have the sum and difference of functions. We have here the definitions. Let f of x be functions. The sum of this function can be written as f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And the difference of this function can be written as f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. So we have here examples. Perform the indicated operation. In this case, we will perform the operation involving adding and subtracting functions. So we have number 1. Let f of x is equals to 4x plus 2 and g of x equals to 2x minus 2. Find f plus g of x of x. So we have the solutions. F plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. That is according to the definition of the sum of functions. So we have 4x, the quantity 4x plus 2x, which is this one. 4x plus 2x is the f of x, and 2x minus 2 is the g of x. So we have 6x. The answer will be 6xy. So we can add similar terms. Here, as you can see, the yellow, which is 4x and 2x, is similar terms. So 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. Then the pink one, we have 2 and the negative 2. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. So therefore, f plus g of x is equals to 6x. Next, we have example number 2. Let f of x be equals to 4x plus 2 and g of x is equals to 2x minus 2. Find f minus g of x. So again, from the given definition, the quantity f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. So again, the f of x, which is 4x plus 2, and the f of x is equals to 4x plus 2, then the g of x is equal to 2x minus 2. So we have 4x plus 2 minus the quantity 2x minus 2. So we have 4x plus 2 plus the negative of 2x plus 2. Why? So since we have here the minus sign, we have this one, this is the minus sign. So we will distribute the negative. So negative 1 times 2x, that is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 2, that is positive 2. So we have negative 2x plus 2. So again, we can add similar terms. So 4x, which is the yellow one, plus, plus the negative 2x or 4x minus 2x, we have 2x. And we have the pink one, we have 2x plus 2x, that is 4x. Therefore, f minus g of x is equal to 2x plus 4x. So this will be the final answer. Next, we have this one. So example number 3. Let f of x be equals to 3x squared plus 2x plus 1, and g of x be equal to 2x squared plus 4x minus 2. Find the quantity of f plus g of x. So we have the solution. So again, from the given definition of the sum of function, we can write the quantity f plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. So we have here this one. This is f of x. Diba? So we have this is f of x. Then this one is the g of x. So again, so this one is the f of x. Then the red one is the f of x, the yellow one is the g of x. So we have here 3x squared is similar terms. Again, we can add similar terms. So the yellow one, which is this one, we can add to this. So that is 3x squared plus 2x squared is equals to 5x squared. The next, we have 2x plus 4x, we have 6x. And lastly, we have 1 minus 2, we have negative 1. Okay? Why negative 1? Since negative 2 is big, negative 2 is bigger than the positive 1 in this case. Okay? Next, we have the definition for product and quotient of functions. So, the product of this function can be written as this one. Okay? So again, the product of this function, we can write this as this one. And the quotient, we can write this as this one, provided the denominator, which is the g of x should not be equal to 0. Since the moment the denominator is 0, then the function or the given is undefined. Okay? So next. We have here an example. So we have here an example. We have 4 examples. So we have number 1, let f of x so we have number 1, let f of x be equals to 2x squared and g of x be equals to x squared plus 4x plus 3. So find the product of f times f and g. So we have the solutions. So again, from the given definition, we can write the product of f and g as this one. So we have 2x squared, which is this one. 2x squared is the f of x, and the x squared plus 4x plus 3 is the g of x. So we have, so again, we will use the multiplication rule involving expression or algebraic expression. So we have this one. So 2x squared, so which is the yellow arrow, 2x squared times x squared, that is 2x to the 4. So in multiplying expression, so we will add the exponent. So again, in multiplying, we will add the exponent of the given expression or of the given variable. So in this case, so we have 2 times the coefficient of this one, that is 1. So 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we have 2, this one, plus 2, that is 4. So therefore, the yellow arrow will have an answer of 2x to the 4. The next, the pink one. So 2x squared times 4x times positive 4x, so that is 8x cubed. Okay, so again we have the exponent of 2, and obviously the exponent of this one is 1. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 2 times 4, that is 8. Then write x, then add the exponent of the variable x, which is 2 plus 1, so that is 3. Next, we have Next, we have 6x squared. Okay, so 6x squared. 6x squared. So, paano nakuha ang 6x squared? So, we have 2x squared times 3. So, that is 6x squared. So, 2 times 3, that is 6. Since 3 here are constant, so, yung 3 walang variable x, and so therefore, we will copy only the x squared of 2, kaya 6x squared. So therefore, the answer will be 2x to the 4th power plus 8x cubed plus 6x squared. So next, we have example number 2. Let f of x is equals to x minus 3 and g of x be equal to x plus 4. So again, find the product of f and g. So we have here the solution. So again, according to the definition of product of function, we can write as this one. Okay? So we have this one is the f of x, and this one is the g of x. So using the FOIL method that you have already learned during your junior high school, so we will have this. So we will follow the arrow. So we will multiply using the arrow. So first is we will multiply x and x. So we have x, which is the red one, this one, x times x, we have x squared. Again, the exponent of x is 1. So x times x, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we have x squared. The next, the green one, so we have x times 4, so that is 4x. Okay, then next we have negative 3x, so we have the yellow one, so we have negative 3 times x, and that is negative 3x. Then last one, we have the pink one. The pink one ba yan or purple one? We have negative 3 times 4, that is negative 12. So here again, so we will add similar terms. So since x squared, walang same or walang similar terms with x squared, so we will write here x squared. Then 4x minus 3x, since they are similar terms, okay, so we have 4x minus 3x, that is 1x or just x. Then bring down negative 12. So therefore, the product of f and g of x is x squared plus x minus 12. Next we have here, let f of x is equals to 4x cubed plus 8x squared and g of x be equals to 2x squared. So find f all over g of x, or find the quotient of the two functions. So we have the solution. So again, from the given definition, f over g of x can be written as f of x over g of x. So that is, so we have, so the f of x, which is this one, so we write f of x 4x. So we have 4x cubed plus 8x squared. Then the g of x, we have 2x squared, so which is this one. Okay, so we have 2x squared times the quantity 2x plus 4. Why? Since the factor of 4x cubed plus 8x squared is 2x squared times the quantity 2x plus 4. So if you multiply this one, if you want to verify, you multiply this one, the result will be 4x cubed plus 8x squared. So therefore, this is the factor of 4x cubed plus 8x squared. So here, copy the denominators. We already factored out the numerator. So we have 2x squared times 2x plus 4 all over 2x squared. So we can cancel 2x squared sa numerator and sa denominator. Why? Because 2x squared divided by 2x squared is just 1. Parang 4 divided by 4 is 1, or 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore, the quotient will be 2x plus 4. Next, we have example number 4. So example number 4, so again, still we want to find the quotient. So we have f of x is equals to x squared plus 3x plus 2. The g of x is equals to x plus 1. So we have the solution. So again, by the definition, we can write f over g of x as f of x all over g of x. So we have, so again, this is f of x, and this is g of x. Again, f of x, then g of x. So we have, so the factor of x squared plus 3x plus 2 is x plus 1 times x plus 2. So again, these are the factors of x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay? So here, we can cancel x plus 1 since x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is just 1. So we have x plus 2. So again, the quotient will be x plus 2. Okay? So next, we have the composition of functions. Let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by the quantity f circle g. So again, we read this one as f circle g is defined by f circle g of x is equals to f of g of x. So again, we read this one as f of g of x. And note, f of g of x is not equal to g of f of x. So again, f of g of x is not equal to g of f of x. Okay? So next, we have an example. So let f of x be equal to 3x plus 4 and g of x be equal to 3x plus 2x plus 3 rather than find the composite function of f circle g of x. So we have the solutions. So f circle g of x is equals to f of g of x, right? F from the given definition, f circle g of x is same as, or we can write this one as f of g of x. So we have f of x is equals to, okay, f of x, yung f of x natin is 3x plus 4, right? F of x is 3x plus 4. We want to find f of g of x. So therefore, we will change the x of f of x as g of x. So again, the x, we will substitute this one as the g of x. So since we substitute the x as g of x, we write 3 times the x will be g of x. So this will be 3 times g of x plus 4. Next, we have, what is g of x? So again, the g of x is 2x plus 3. So again, 3 times g of x plus 4. Then what is g of x? So that is 2x plus 3. So therefore, 3 times 2x plus 3. Then we have the 4. So plus 4. So therefore, this is equals to, so multiply 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times 3 times 3. Sorry, this should be 9. Okay, this should be 9. So therefore, the answer will be 6x plus, this should be 13. Okay, so again, this should be 13. Okay, okay, this should be 13. Okay, why 13? So again, I have an error here. 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times 3, this should be 9. Again, this should be 9. Then plus 4. So 6x. Then 9 plus 4, that is 13. So 6 plus 13. This should be the answer. 6x plus 13. Next, we have example number 2 for composition. So we have, let f of x be equal to, so we have same given that is f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 and g of x is equal to 2x plus 3. But this time we want to find g circle f. So g circle f can be written as g of f of x. So the g of x is equals to 2x plus 3. Then we want to find the g of f of x. So again, we have g of f of x. So 2 times f of x plus 3. So yung x natin, which is this one, gawin natin lang f of x. Okay? Gawin natin f of x. So we have 2 times, what is f of x? We have 3x plus 4. So therefore, 2 times 3x plus 4. So multiply, so distribute 2, so that is 2 times 3x, that is 6x. Then 2 times 4, that is 8x. So therefore, then copy 3. This should be 3. This should be 3, sorry. This should be 3. So therefore, we have 6x plus, again, we have an error here. This should be 11. It should be 11. So the final answer will be 6x plus 11. Okay? Okay. So this time, you may practice the following exercises. So we have number 1, this is addition or the sum of function. Then number 2, we have the difference of function. Number 3, we have the product. Number 4, we have the quotient. Number 5, we have the composite. So this time you will try the following exercises. So thank you. So I hope you have understand our lesson for today. So again, this topic is all about operations on functions. So thank you and have a great day.